Right, so we're going to be looking at adding, removing, and moving pages, and I'm using the page panel. If your page panel isn't showing, just go up to Window and select Pages for your page panel to show. You can see mine is active because it's got a tick next to it. And I want to add another page. So I'm just going to come over to the Pages panel. I'm going to come to this box with a little cross in it, and I'm going to create a new page. And there's my new page. But again, if I decide that I don't need a new page, or if I want to delete the page, I just need to make sure that it's selected. And you can see it's selected because it's a light blue. So if I select that one, you can see this one is selected now. That's a light blue. But the one we want to delete is the one we just created, so this one here. So I want to get rid of this page, so I select it. And once I selected it, I can just come to this button here, and I can delete that page. So that's how you add and delete a page. So what about moving pages? So we've got Krabby Jack. So we're at page 12 and 13, 12 and 13 there. Let's say we want to move the content of our pages to different pages. I'll just come to page 12 and 13 in this panel here, and I'm going to right click. And I'm going to choose Move Pages. Say Move Pages before page 4. Let's say we want to move the pages before page 6. So I'm going to change the number to 6. But bear in mind, when we move these pages, I'm choosing an even number because both these pages, I want them to move together. So the way they look now, when they move up, I want them to look like this. I don't want them to be split on another page where I get half the image on one page and half on the other. And one thing to note as well, when I move it before page 6, what you'll notice, it will actually be on 6 and 7. So when I'm happy with that, you can see we're on page 12 and 13 at the moment. And when I click OK, it'll all change. So I click OK. You can see that this is now 12 and 13. So we can scroll here. So we got page 6 and 7. So I just double click on that. And I center it. And you can see it's moved it to page 6 and 7. Right, so that's how you add and remove a page and how you move pages.